morning star, can you make a wish? Ooh, just remember, luck is no such thing. One man succeeds while another man fails. Why is it then you ask the star up above?
There's a little thing that I want to talk about. I had a conversation with my good buddy Sharon about do-it-yourself astrology. A lot of people, like doing their own astrology charts because we got computers and all kind of information and devices that help us with astrology. I had a caller who didn't want a reading, didn't want a consultation. She wanted me to tell her her sun and moon and rising sign. So I said, well, there are some, and then she later asked, can I do this myself? Sure you can. Just Google free astrology chart. But do-it-yourself astrology is sort of kind of like WebMD. We all use WebMD or whatever medical service that we use when we're ailing or not feeling good. We go online and we look up the symptom and diagnose ourselves. Oh yeah, that's it. Oh, I got that. I'm feeling that. But there's nothing better than going to a real doctor. Doctors don't treat themselves, I would imagine, treating themselves for injury, pains, and wounds. Lawyers don't defend themselves in court. They hire another lawyer. So my question is, do-it-yourself astrology is okay, but it's nothing like doing your own astrology chart. Or there's nothing like consulting a professional astrologer, whether he be male or female. I suggest that you consult people with years of experience. There are too many overnight astrologers on the web. There's too many people who read a book here and there and they're ready to hang out the I'm an astrologer shingle, and they're ripping people off. So trust yourself with a professional, he or she, especially me, Z Starman, who knows what they're talking about. I bring 40 years of astrology and numerology experience. It's more than you than just being an Aquarius. It's more than you than being a Sagittarius or a Leo or a Virgo. Every Virgo is not the same. Every Scorpio is not the same. Every Pisces is not the same. Find out what kind of Pisces or whatever your birthday is and consult a professional astrologer. And as I said earlier, one of the big astrology things that is getting ready to happen, and that is the entrance of Jupiter into the sign of Capricorn. Jupiter will be in Capricorn. It's leaving Sagittarius. Jupiter is the planet of luck and abundance, and it will be in the sign of Capricorn from December 2nd, this coming December 2nd, a week from this Monday, and it's going to last and be there for a whole year until 2020, December 19, 2020. So this is a great opportune time for people with heavy and serious Capricorn planets like Capricorn rising, or if your sun sign is Capricorn. But Jupiter is in its fall. It doesn't necessarily work well in Capricorn. So a lot of Capricorn people will have a lot of weight and a lot of responsibilities that the universe is going to shine light on, because Jupiter is a luminary. It shines light on a situation. So wherever Capricorn is in your chart, a lot of light will be let in on that situation. Up next, as I said earlier to Mary Ellen, Venus is in the sign of Capricorn also. There we have it. There we have the astrological symbol for Venus on the left. In the medical profession, that's the symbol for woman. On the right-hand side, there's the astrological symbol, just like we saw, for the sign of Capricorn. So Venus is in the sign of Capricorn from November 25th, it just entered today, until December 20th. So a lot of you Capricorn people take advantage of these planets being in the sign of Capricorn. If you have Capricorn rising, if you have the moon in Capricorn. Now don't expect things to fall into your lap, because Capricorn works slowly. So take advantage of the energy, take your time, put it out in the universe. This is what I want. Have a vision board. This is what I'm entering or wanting into my life. Up next is for you Pisces people, like my buddy Sharon, who's an avid astrologer. Your ruling planet, if you're a Pisces or if you have Pisces rising sign, your ruling planet is about to go direct. Neptune is going direct in the sign of Pisces on November 27th. Neptune has been retrograde since June 21st. So a lot of Pisces people, you should be able to get a lot of work done now that your ruling planet is about to go direct. Mars is in the sign of Scorpio. Mars in old school astrology used to rule Scorpio. Now Pluto is the ruler of Scorpio. So Mars is in the sign of Scorpio from November 18th to January 3rd, 2020. It could be a little bit stressful for a lot of Taurus people because Mars is opposite, Scorpio is the opposite sign of Taurus. A lot of transits going on in the sign of Taurus right now. Watch out also of your Leo because there's a lot of friction going to occur in your home life. And lastly, people in the news. People in the news, there she is, Taylor Swift. Taylor Swift is a Sagittarius. Jupiter's in Sagittarius. She just won on American Music Awards. She is the performer of the decade. From 2010 to 2020, it's Taylor Swift, and she has won more American Music Awards than Michael Jackson. That's about all the time that we have for astrology, numerology now. I want to thank my control room, Deetra, Josianne, and Stanley, and you, the viewers, for tuning in on your TVs or on your devices. Get at me for my astrology numerology special. This is Z Starman wishing you peace, love, light. Namaste.
Virgo is known for versatility, while Taurus for persistency. Get Aries to be very, very ambitious. Libra, the cheerful and merry one.
Pisces, you fish. You are a romantic, constantly striving to escape from reality into the blessed land of your dreams.
Whatever your sign may be, look to the stars.